So we'll start with sum number 11. Okay. Sum number 11. If you read this problem, it states that a fort is provided with food for 80 soldiers to last for 60 days. Find how long would the food last if 20 additional soldiers join after 15 days. So what are the variables here that you must identify? The variables here, if you see, are number of soldiers and number of days, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to write here number of soldiers and number of days. Okay. Now, if you see, a fort is provided with food for 80 soldiers. So for 80 soldiers, the food is provided, right? To last for 60 days. So 80 soldiers, the food was provided for 60 days. Find how long would the food last if 20 additional soldiers join after 15 days. Okay. 20 additional soldiers join. That means now the number of soldiers is how many? 80 plus 20.
100.
100.
And also they join after 15 days. So that means for 80 soldiers, if the food were to last for 60 days, and because they are joining after 15 days, their food will now last for 45 days,
35 days.
right? And we
Yes,
call
sir.
this Y2. Fine. Now you see from if I call this as X and if I call this as Y, then see from 80, this X is increasing from 80 to 100, right? And if you see 80 for 80 soldiers, the food will last for 45 days, right? Here.
Yes,
And
sir.
for therefore for 100 soldiers, the food will last for lesser days. That means this is increasing from 80 to 100, but this, however, is decreasing, right? That means what do you say? That X and Y are in.
So, but the 45 days were for with the including the 20 soldiers, no?
Sir,
After 15 days, these soldiers are joining after 15 days. Okay, that means for 80
Oh, so,
soldiers,
so so after 15 days, the food would last for 80
exactly
soldiers
after
for
15
45 days.
days. Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we say X and Y are in inverse variation here because as you are increasing X, Y is decreasing. So here X and Y are in
morning, sir.
inverse variation. Therefore, if you call this as now, if you call this as your X1, call this as your Y1, this as your X2. Therefore, you must have X1 Y1 is equal to X2 Y2. Now you can calculate the value of Y2. So you have 80 into 45 is equal to 100 into Y2. It means 100 Y2 is equal to 80 into 45. Now if you divide both sides by 100, you get Y2 is equal to 80 into 45 divided by 100. Right? Now you can cancel here.
So 36.
That's 36.
Sir,
36.
Y2 is 36 days.
sir, how you got Y1 as 45, sir?
Because after for 80 soldiers, the food was lasting for 60 days. But if you see, then if you read the next part of the question, it states that uh, 20 additional soldiers join after 15 days. That means for 80 soldiers, initially when the food was lasting for 60 days, now because 20 additional soldiers are joining after 15 days, the food will now last for 80 minus 60 minus 15, which is 45 days, right? Because the 20 additional soldiers are joining after 15 days. Okay, they are not joining along with on that particular day itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll move to the next question. Number 12. If you read this question, it states here 1200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. After 4 days, some soldiers were sent to another fort, and thus the food lasted for 32 more days. How many soldiers left the fort? Okay. Let us start by saying, let X soldiers leave the fort. After how many days? After 4 days. Let X soldiers leave the fort after 4 days. Therefore, how many soldiers remaining after four days? Initially, there were how many soldiers? 1200. After 4 days, X soldiers leave. So that means you are left with 1200 minus X, right? Now see, what are the variables here? Number of soldiers and number of days food will last, right? And let us call this Y and Z because X I have already taken as the number of soldiers who have left, right? Now see, 1200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. So 1200 soldiers had enough food for 28 days, right? After 4 days, some soldiers leave, right? So after 4 days, how many soldiers leave? X. So we're left with 1200 minus X soldiers, right? So for how long the food will last? Let us call this Z2. Suppose if the food will last for Z2 days, but here there is again there is a catch. How the soldiers are leaving after 4 days, right? So if for 1200 soldiers, if the food is lasting for 28 days, and after 4 days the soldiers are leaving, that means now for 1200 soldiers the food will last for how many days? 24
24
days,
days.
right? So um, now here also there's one more thing. Yes, there's something here also.
So the
That this
32 days more.
yes, the 32 days more. So for 1200 minus X soldiers, the food will last for 32 more days, right? So if you see this question, I forgot this part.
So instead of 1200 minus X, we could also write X, right?
You could also write,
X, just X.
if you write X, then you will have to later on subtract it from 1200. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So therefore,
And sir, there is written 32 more days.
Hmm.
So it
32
will be
more days.
24 plus 32.
No, it means 32 more days here in
So
this
after
context.
4 days, the 32 more days.
Yes, after 4 days, it's 32 more days. Okay. So that is why we write only 32. So if you see Y and Z, are Y and Z in inverse variation? From if you see number of soldiers are is declining from 1200 to 1200 minus X. So this is a decrease here. Now is Z increasing here from 24 to 32? Yes, this is an increase. Therefore, we say here Y and Z are in inverse variation. If Y and Z are in inverse variation, what can I say? Y1 Z1 is equal to Y2 Z2. You can call this as your Y1, this as your Z1, this as your Y2, and this as your Z2. Now you can put the values here. Y1 into 24. Is equal to y2 is 1200 minus x into z2 is 32. Now you can solve this equation. So you get 32 into 1200 minus x is equal to 1200 into 24. So you get 1200 minus x is equal to 1200 into 24 divided by 32. Now you can cancel here. You can cancel here. You can cancel this with 4, 6 times or 8 times. Again, I think 1200 will also cancel with 8.
The 900.
This is 1 and 150. Okay, this comes to 150 into 6,
The 900.
900. Okay. So this is 1200 minus x is equal to 900. That means 1200, take 900 on the other side. 1200 minus 900 is equal to x. That means 300 must be equal to x. That means x is equal to 300. So how many soldiers leave? 300 soldiers leave after 4 days. Okay. So that is what. And I conclude this topic here then.